Hi, this is Handy TF. This video is going to show you how to replace this water heater. As you can see, this water heater is leaking pretty badly. So when it's leak, you have to replace. You don't want to put a hot water heater directly on the concrete floor. The moisture from the concrete floor is going to rust the tank. That's what happened here. I usually like to put on this center block, concrete block, this hollow one, so the moisture wouldn't get up to the tank, so keep the tank longer. This video is going to show you particularly that we are using a quick connect instead of this kind of fixed connection, which is had to do a lot of soldering. Also, all the pipe had to line up, which is a lot of work. So quick connect, flexible pipe is a lot easier. I will show you. Now you see I connect this flexible, stainless flexible pipe. The beauty of this one, you can see the red and blue one in the screen. When you are working in an awkward place like in here, so you can actually work it to different shape you want, and they wouldn't kink. Not like the braided one, which will kink, and then eventually they are going to break, and then cause the flooding. In order to work with this pipe, you also need to get this compression fitting here. This one. This is all done without any soldering. As long as you pick the correct water heater connector, like the one I show you here, not the braid one. Also, I like to show you here on the bottom here, I put the water heater on top of this hollowed concrete block instead of sitting directly on the concrete. So the moisture or condensation wouldn't accumulate on the bottom of the water heater. So it wouldn't rust the bottom, wouldn't rust the water heater tank. So the water heater will last a lot longer. Thank you for watching. This is Handy TF.